Have you ever wondered what would happen if a truly gigantic asteroid hit our planet? Well, it's not just a plot for a blockbuster movie. It actually happened 2 billion years ago, and the scar it left behind is still visible today. Welcome to the story of the Vredefort Crater, the largest and oldest impact structure ever found on Earth. Let's turn back the clock. Way back. 2 billion years ago, long before the dinosaurs, before even the first complex multicellular life, our planet was a very different place. The continents were arranged in a supercontinent we now call Valbara or Kenorland, and the atmosphere was just beginning to accumulate oxygen. Out of the darkness of space, a colossal object, an asteroid estimated to be between 10 to 15 kilometers, that's 6 to 9 miles wide, was on a collision course with Earth. To put that into perspective, that's larger than Mount Everest. It slammed into our planet at a speed of tens of thousands of kilometers per hour. The impact was cataclysmic, releasing an amount of energy that dwarfs anything humanity has ever witnessed. We're talking about an explosion many times more powerful than all the world's nuclear weapons combined. The location of this cosmic catastrophe? An area that is now the beautiful, serene landscape of South Africa. The immediate aftermath would have been apocalyptic. The impact vaporized the asteroid and a massive amount of the Earth's crust, creating a transient crater over 100 kilometers wide and 40 kilometers deep. A fireball of superheated rock and gas would have expanded outwards, incinerating everything for hundreds, perhaps thousands of kilometers. The shockwave would have triggered earthquakes of unimaginable magnitude across the entire globe and generated mega-tsunamis in the ancient oceans. A massive plume of dust and debris would have been thrown high into the atmosphere, encircling the planet, blocking out the sun for years, and plunging the world into a prolonged, freezing, impact winter. This event would have had a profound effect on the primitive life that existed at the time, likely causing a mass extinction event for the microbial organisms that dominated the planet. But in a fascinating twist, some scientists believe this massive impact might have also played a constructive role in evolution. The immense heat could have created extensive hydrothermal systems, which are like chemical-rich hot springs. These environments could have provided the perfect conditions, a unique cocktail of energy and nutrients, for new forms of life to emerge and evolve. It's a powerful reminder that destruction and creation are often two sides of the same coin in the story of our planet. So, what are we left with today? You might be expecting a giant, obvious bowl-shaped hole in the ground, but after 2 billion years of erosion and geologic activity, the original crater is long gone. What we see now is what geologists call an impact structure. The Vredefort Dome, at the center of the structure, is the result of the Earth's crust rebounding upwards, like a slow-motion splash, immediately after the impact. This rebound brought deep layers of the Earth's crust, rocks from 25 kilometers down, all the way to the surface. This process has turned the area into a geological paradise. The Vredefort structure is a multi-ringed complex, and the remnant we see today, mainly the central dome, spans about 90 kilometers. The entire original crater is estimated to have been up to 300 kilometers in diameter. Driving through the area, you'll see unique rock formations, like shatter cones, cone-shaped rocks with distinctive striations that are telltale evidence of the extreme shock pressures from an impact. You can also find melted and recrystallized rocks, known as pseudotachylite, which are essentially fossilized rock melts created by the intense friction and heat of the event. Because of its unique geological significance, the Vredefort Dome was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2005. It's not just a scar, it's a natural laboratory. It provides scientists with an unparalleled window into the deep crust of our planet and offers critical insights into the physics of hypervelocity impacts. By studying Vredefort, we can better understand the formation of our solar system and the potential threats we might face from space in the future. For visitors, the region is now a place of stunning natural beauty. The Val River winds its way through the dome, creating a lush green landscape that contrasts with the rugged, rocky hills. It's a popular spot for adventure tourism, offering everything from river rafting and hiking to mountain biking and abseiling. You can literally hike over rocks that were once miles beneath the surface and witness the direct evidence of this ancient cosmic collision. It is a truly humbling experience to stand in a place that was the site of such unimaginable power and realize you're walking on the rebound of the Earth itself. The Vredefort Crater is more than just a geological oddity. It's a testament to our planet's violent but resilient history. It reminds us that Earth is part of a dynamic and sometimes dangerous cosmic neighborhood, and it shows us how, even from the most destructive events, new opportunities for life and incredible natural beauty can arise. It's a 2-billion-year-old story, written in stone, waiting for you to come and read it. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey back in time to witness the largest asteroid impact on Earth. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more incredible stories from our planet's past, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments what other geological wonders you'd like to see covered. Until next time, stay curious.